Alright, so this is going to be a video with Comica professional audio equipment. This is 4-channel mini wireless microphone. So it's the reason why I bought this is because, you know, we need some microphones. I think they're called Lavaliers or something like that. Forgive me if I'm not saying it right. But the reason why I bought this, I got it from Amazon. The reason why I bought this one is because it came with 4. It came with 4, and I got a house full of people here, and 2 is not enough. So if this 4 can work, that'd be great. And it's basically, you know, to use the base, for like going live and stuff around the house, so everybody have a microphone to talk, whatever. But I just wanted to do the unboxing and everything because I figured why not, and there might be somebody else who's actually looking to get this. Here's the features on the back. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see. All right, here's the front of the box. Now that I look at it, it looked like it's already been opened. I hope not, or maybe it's just broken. Probably just broken, who knows? I'm gonna open it up though. Let me do this. All right. Manual. Right. Okay, the case is capable of charging. It's a fun seat right here. I don't know what happens if I push this button. So, see a USB-C charger port. It's a nice case. Feels like, I don't know if it's real leather or not, but let me smell. I don't know. It feels nice though. You all get to look before I do. Look at that, y'all got the first look. I can't even see in there. I wonder what y'all see. Wow, that looks really nice actually. So, see, got the little clip on the back. Let's turn it on, see what happens. Does it turn on? It turns on, and it does that. Came with 4 batteries. This is almost as if someone, nah, it's not used. It has this thing on the back. This little stickers covering the charging ports or whatever. So let me just see what happens if I turn this on. See the power buttons. It's the power button right here. Turn that on. It turned on. It turned on, and it automatically synced. See that volume going up? I like that. I like that. I don't know how the sound quality is gonna turn out, but y'all will find out because this is what we're gonna be using. Because as y'all know, I changed the channel name from Computer Tutor to Computer Wiz because my name's Computer Wiz, and I'm not about to be doing all that, making those test exam videos. That takes a lot of time, and I didn't like the results that I was getting from it, so I figured I got to go easier route. And I'm just trying to make some fun, actually, just and save some time with the family and stuff like that. Like basically spend some time with the family and save some time so I can spend with the family, you know. But so this, I guess it's a, you know, headphone. I believe it plugs into here somewhere. So it would plug into here, I guess into your camera or whatever, right? But I'm gonna be using this for Windows, and I don't think that this actually works for Windows directly. So in order for it to work for a Windows computer or even an Apple computer, you need a external sound card, because if you ever try to do a live stream with your computer and it just uses the onboard mic, you know how horrible it sounds. It also came with, so this is another cable in here, charging cable. Then it came with these things. I gotta be a little neater. These little British hats, is that what they are? It's like I'm joking. But little afros. I got a hat that looks just like this. I should go get it, right? But it basically snaps on like that. And also you could plug in an extension for a mic that plugs into here. So there might be some finagling you could do to get a better sound quality from this. But I don't know yet. As y'all see, I'm just now opening it, because this is what I'm gonna be using to bring y'all more content. And I decided that, you know, I'm just gonna be a family guy, because I do a lot of stuff. I don't just fix computers and stuff like that. Like, I fix a lot of things. And I'm setting myself up to go live. Oh yeah, sorry. So this right here, Sound Blaster G3. I just bought this to start off with because I don't need something that's too serious, nothing like that. So in theory, this should plug in to the computer and give me an option to use this instead of the internal mic. So how this works is I'm going to take this, plug it into the computer, right? And you can see it got like the line drive and everything. Like, I'm gonna plug it in the microphone part. This is gonna plug into here. So let's see, this is, all right, so maybe this side goes to this side, right? Let's do that. And this is gonna plug into the mic part. And there we go. Plug it in the computer and it works. All right. Or if you don't have the computer, you just use that and plug it into your device or whatever and find a way for it to be stabilized. But let's talk about this little Sound Blaster thing. It is an external audio card. And hopefully y'all can see it. I didn't want to talk about it too much because I just bought it so I could use this on the computer, really. And I got a lot of stuff I want to do. And when I do it, I don't want to do the video editing part. That's why I just rather go live, you know? Because I'm going to be working anyway. Why not just go live while you're working and stuff like that? Because trying to record and work, that makes the job a lot harder. You know, it's more tedious. Trying to do things over and over again because you didn't get the right shot. Can you believe that? But anyway, this is what we're going to be using. And if you are watching more of my videos, y'all will see the quality of it. All right, let me see if I just turn these on. Let me see, turn this one on. I like these though. Make sure they all working. One, two, three, four. It appears they all are working. Basically, do something like this. Right, you know, put it right there. Bang. You know, there you go. Got a little microphone. So when I walk away from the live, like from the computer, y'all can still hear me and stuff like that. You know what I mean? That's what I got this for. I'm just trying to do things easier, you know? They say work smarter, not harder. It's a little investment, but it had to be made. But I hope you all like this video. This is the unboxing of the Comica for lavalier set, whatever you want to call it. I should probably leave a link in the description for you to buy this, right? But I don't, man, my life isn't. I got to clean up my life. This is why I'm trying to do things easier, because if I spend so much time doing things like video editing and stuff like that, that's just, and like with the tests and stuff like that, it's just gonna be too much. So I gotta make my life easier, because I wanna do the YouTube thing, but I don't wanna make my life a living hell either. So anyway, thanks for watching. It's your boy Computer Wiz. And hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, help me out, you know what I'm saying? Y'all have a great day.